Hello guys, welcome back to new video. In today's video we are going to see how you get this awesome looking setup on your smartphone. All required apps for this video is in the description. First, set your default launcher to Nova Launcher. You can do it by going into the setting of your smartphone or going into the settings of Nova Launcher. After this, change the icon pack by going into settings of Nova Launcher. And then set icon pack to squared icon pack. Now long press on home screen, go to wallpaper. And then go to live wallpaper section. And then select KLWP wallpaper. Now click on settings icon and it will open KLWP app. In KLWP app, in hamburger menu select load presets. And in preset select random to preset. And save this wallpaper. You can also change the wallpaper present in the KLWP file by following the video. So that's it for this video. We'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.